Okay, what's going on, guys? It's Duke back in the kitchen. Come. I'm gonna show you what we're making. We're making Jamaican style. Yeah, carrot juice. Although my friend Max told me that once you add Guinness to it, because we Jamaicans put Guinness in it, it's no longer carrot juice. He said it's a cocktail. But this is just how we do Jamaican carrot juice. Okay, so you can see last time we did it. Come over here and look. Last time we did it, we ran out, like the juice finished so quick, right? So we decided to get like a few more bags of carrot. So we take the carrot, we scraped it off, right? Scraped off all the skin and just give it a rinse, right? Give it a rinse. Make sure it's nice and clean, right? We got the carrot all prepared, okay? And we got nutriment. There's a couple things you can use. You can use Supplegen. You can use Supplegen or nutriment. Now we're in Toronto. I didn't see no Supplegen, but I saw nutriment. Okay, so we're gonna use nutriment. I went to my Auntie Betty house. I didn't have nutmeg, but Auntie Betty had some nutmeg. Big up yourself, Auntie Betty. Auntie Betty give me some nutmeg. We have Guinness, right? We have Jamaican Guinness. Or I don't know if it's Jamaican, but they drink a lot of Guinness in Jamaica. We have condensed sweetened milk. Oh, come in now. Are you so far? Alright, let the people them see. Condensed sweetened milk, okay? This is not like the watery one. This is the one that flows, you know? Condensed sweet milk like that. And we have vanilla, okay? We have vanilla. Last time we used like half the bottle to mix that, so we're probably gonna use all of this vanilla. We got the blender, and that's it, ready to go. So Abba's gonna be blending it. Let me get the camera. Abba's gonna be blending. Abba, say what's going on to the people.
Going on.
Abba Dane, say what's up. Say what's up. What's up?
Thumbs up. Do thumbs up.
Alright. Alright, so let's blend this. Huh? No, you don't have to go that fast. You don't have to go fast. Best drink you'll ever have. I promise you, best drink you'll ever have. Have a dip. You ready for the carrot juice? Come over. This is the final product. Rich Jamaican carrot juice. Alright, we didn't have any container, so we put it in this dropper kind of thing, you know? Alright.
Good thing you drink.
Let me sample.
Refreshing. Take
Oh
me
my
back to
gosh.
Jamaica.
Oh my gosh. You have no idea.
How is it? How is it?
I ate.
Okay.
I'll see you guys later.